Hello students, welcome to the Science Class 6. I am Vinod Kumar from Jagran Public School Varanasi. In this video, I am going to explain the chapter Motion and Measurement of Distances. Now, students, we will discuss in this chapter history of transport system with transport facilities, define motion and its types, measurement and its units, and conversion techniques means how to convert bigger unit to smaller unit and smaller unit to bigger units. Now, students, I am going to explain history of transport. In ancient times, people used to move only on foot and carry goods either themselves or by animals. But nowadays, people using many transport facilities like land transport, using car, bus, train, motorbike, etc. And for air transport, aeroplane, helicopter, and for water transport, boat, ship, and steamer to cover different distances in a particular time. Motion and its types. Motion is the phenomenon in which an object changes its position over time. For example, when a body is at rest, say point A, if changes its position from A to B with time is said to be in motion. And mathematically, to cover a distance with time, that is displacement. Types of motion. Rectilinear motion is also known as one-dimensional motion. It is a motion in a straight line or straight path. For example, soldiers marching on a straight road in a straight line is also in rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion is also known as linear motion. Next, periodic motion. Students, you can understand with the help of an activity to show periodic motion. When a metallic bob is suspended by a coarse suspension fiber, which is a weightless thread from a rigid support, that is, the bob is free to swing. One to and fro motion of a pendulum about its mean position, known as oscillation or cycle. The total time taken to complete one oscillation or one cycle is called its time period, and the number of oscillations per second is known as its frequency. Initially, the bob is at mean position, then move to extreme position A to B, and then B to C, and then C to A, means to complete one oscillation or one cycle. Oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. For example, motion of a pendulum, vibrations of a guitar strings is said to be periodic. Next, circular motion. It is a motion of an object along the circumference of a circle or rotation along circular path. It may be uniform or non-uniform with changing rate of rotation. For example, a ceiling fan's blade's rotation, child sitting on a merry-go-round is said to be in circular motion. Next, rotational motion means rotation around its fixed axis or rotation of an object around a circular path in a fixed orbit. Rotational motion is also known as rotatory motion or spinning motion. For example, the motion of Earth about its axis and the motion of spinning top, etc. Measurement and units. Students, in this case of measurement done by footsteps or handspan, which vary person to person. So, for correct measurement, standard units are needed. For example, how to explain how to measure the length of chord path or circular path by using thread, and then measure the length of thread with the help of ruler scale, meter scale, etc. For the long distance, you can use kilometer, meter, etc. Units. Unit is a definite magnitude or fixed quantity. SI unit means International System of Units or standard units. The SI unit of length is meter and the SI unit of time is second. Next, students, I am going to explain conversion techniques, means how to convert bigger unit to smaller units and smaller unit to bigger units. Firstly, I am going to explain bigger unit to smaller units. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and you can use this units how to convert that how to convert 25 kilometer into meter. 25 kilometer is equal to 25 into 1000 meter is equal to 25,000 meter. In this case, you can also use for converting decimal point 4.5 kilometer into meter means 4.5 multiplied by 1000 meter is equal to 4500 meters. 2.5 centimeter into millimeter is equal to 2.5 into 10 is equal to 25 millimeter. You can also learn with the help of the given figures. Next, a smaller unit to bigger units. If you want to convert a smaller unit to bigger unit, use only divide. 25,000 meter into kilometer means you can use divide. 25,000 by 1000 is equal to 25 kilometer. Here you can use decimal in the kilometer, like 2.5 meter into kilometer means 2.5 by 1000 is equal to 0.0025 kilometer. 250 millimeter into centimeter is equal to 250 by 10 is equal to 25 centimeter. Now, students, what we learned in this chapter: history of transport, measurement and its units, motion and its types, conversion of bigger unit to smaller units, and smaller unit to bigger units. Thank you, my team members and the IT department who has helped for making this video. Thank you.